Hello, McFly, anybody home? That's exactly how my brain feels. Let me just widen this full, as wide as I can get this here lens. And let me bring the boom mic over. There you can see me putting it over my head. That's so I can get some awesome audio here. It's early Saturday morning. You're probably watching this video on Saturday at some point, or maybe Sunday. And what I'm doing today is I'm going to pick the winner of the Holy Stone F181C. All of you who entered the contest by answering a question, going to a website and answering a question, you're all entered. And we're going to go do that right now. And I'm going to pick the winner. So let me just grab over here. I've got my Osmo Pocket. Turn you on. Half asleep. Come to life, Osmo. All right. And I'll put you in record mode. So let's go check out who the winner is. All right, first thing I have to do is go to my YouTube random comment generator. There we are. It says over here, I'm doing this with one hand. Put in your website. I've already copied it. That is the website to the YouTube. Am I even pointing at the screen? There we go. And let's go search. It's going to find duplicates. How many comments? Oh my God, I can't even speak. It's too early. 250. Let's go down to the start button. Let's see who is the winner. The winner. Hit start. Look at the names flying by. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Come on, come on, come on. Winner! Oh my God, I can't even, that's not even, is that a name? Nivrad Vinskv with the last three letters all capitalized? I'm not sure. That was a question. Look at the answer to the question. That was a question that I posted later in the week, and that is the correct answer. So you are a winner. Now, let me just do one more thing here, because I'm going to go back up here, and I am going to pick a second winner. The reason I'm picking a second winner is because if the first winner does not claim their prize within 7 days, it goes to the second winner. So you are the backup winner, whoever this is going to be. Backup winner is, oh my God. Oh my God. Winner is Clay Girl. And that's a long, long answer, but you did get the answer. I'm completely new to drones, so as the site stated, it's an upgraded 4 gig micro SD card, and yes, that is correct. So congratulations to winner number 1. This is what you're going to get, but if you don't respond within 7 days, well, it goes to winner number 2. So my email address is right below, and all you have to do is send me an email, and I'll send you all the details about what I require from you. Both of you, send me an email. If I have both of you and somehow I can get 2 of these sent out, that'd be great. A big thanks to everyone who participated in the contest, and a big thanks to Holy Stone for sending me this drone. They are going to send me a really nice drone in the future. Yes, they are making new drones with some pretty cool features, but they have a really expensive drone they're going to send me, and I believe it might be a giveaway in the future, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, to everybody, it's early morning. I'm going to go grab a coffee and and go edit this video and get it out. So take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.